what exactly in your life is not ordinary, you will not pray. Until you understand that the position you are is not ordinary. Many years ago, a man from Ekiti State, he wrote this scholarship exam when he was still young, 20-something years, to study in UK. So he applied for the scholarship. The UK released the scholarship. The village powers of that man, they failed the scholarship. When the man was now 70-something years, one day the man received a parcel, and when they opened the parcel, they saw that it was a scholarship that he applied for when he was 20-something years. Now that he's 70-something, he's not receiving it. When they checked the data, they released the time he applied, Baba began to cry. Why? The village power said, well, since we cannot kill you, we will make you a village chapel. Since we cannot kill you, we will detain the village. So then the man received it. At that time, it's useless. Because nobody will collect a 70-something years with scholarship, no school. They said you want to pay for yourself. That is why the Baba began to cry. Because the enemy has wasted his life. The enemy has made his life a year's life. But there is still a room for a clear.